Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write product description using Write Sonic AI. So, without any more time wasted, let's get started. First, I'm going to Write Sonic, and you need to log in here. So, this link I will attach in my description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website. Log in with your Gmail. You can see this is dashboard. So now just click on product description. So I click here, then you can see this is the input. So here is you need to choose a name, which type of e-commerce product description you want to write. So I copy from Amazon organic ceramic tree. I just copy this traditional tree, just paste here, then product information. You need to input some information. I input from Amazon. I add this information and you need to upload an image. So I copy an image from Amazon. So save, then save. Okay, I uploaded this photo here. Okay, so now choose your desired description length. It's 200 to 300 words I need. So choose a brand voice of voice tone. So choose your branding name. So this is not necessary, but if you want to, please add here. I'm not interested to add this one. Just SEO keyword you need, must be need at this one for SEO purpose. So I just add, this is my keyword. I just add here. Additional information optional if you want to add as you wish. So this is complete. I just click here, generating. So I'm waiting few seconds for whole processing. Then this AI writing a whole product description for me. It's exclusively for me. If I use this product description for myself, this and does not mind Google. Wow, if I copy this one, then paste here, you can see this is a real product description and nobody can find this is a written description. So if you want to change something here, just chat with Write Sonic, just chat Sonic with right here. Say, hey, I want to change this option and I want to add this option. Then I want to add a paragraph from on here, etc., etc. If I write, then please remove meta description. Just enter. Write Sonic write whole product description again for me. So I just copy, just paste a notebook. You can see this is my product description. I write using Write Sonic AI. If you want to write to type product article for yourself, you can use Write Sonic. This is the best option for found. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have liked this video and subscribe my channel for the next video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.